Yeah, Center Horizon 2065. Just wanted to verify, are there UFOs out there tonight?
Little unidentified flying object appearing to move at hypersonic speeds and just with precision and turning, and yeah, we're all a little perplexed. We don't see anything on our end.
Almost heaven, South Jersey, scrub pine forest, tea-colored waters. Life is old.